Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I use the new moi-moi foil for your intercontinental moi-moi to make your moi-moi so presentable. We have a new foil or a new wrap. Keep watching as I take you into this video. First, here is our new moi-moi wrap for your intercontinental moi-moi. The mouth is small, so how do you get the beans batter into this mouth? Keep watching, but first let's prepare the beans for the batter. So I have my already washed beans, then I have red bell pepper, habanero pepper, onions and cayenne pepper. All the full ingredients, the quantity will be at the description box down below. Friends, I'll be grinding this moi-moi with a local engine to make it super fluffy. You could grind with a good blender at home. After blending, this is what the batter looks like, super smooth and fluffy. And then I'll be using just small quantity of ingredients. So I have 2 fresh eggs, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of seasoning, and a cup of vegetable oil, and then meat stock, beef stock. So I'll go ahead and empty the fresh eggs inside the batter. Some like to boil their eggs, but I love to add it fresh so it's cooked together inside the moi-moi. So keep watching and don't go away. In this video I'll show you how to use the new foil for your intercontinental cooking. The foil is so good, but how do you get the beans batter after mixing it inside the moi-moi foil, the new wrap I just showed you? Don't go away so you don't miss how I did that, because if you're not careful you will soil the whole wrap while trying to put your moi-moi batter in there. So here we go. First I will show you the wrong method and then the right method. So here I'm using a spoon to scoop the batter into that foil, and you notice it's small, so it soils the whole foil and even soil the tray that I'm using. This is wrong. Now watch how I do it. So easy. Here first you need a small portable funnel, and then open the foil mouth. It's super small, it clips like ziplock. So next, after you fix the funnel into the mouth of your new moi-moi foil, then you just go ahead and scoop the batter into it. It's super easy and simple, and then you will not see the batter on the body. It does not soil it, and the kitchen will not be soiled. I tried the first method the first day I got this wrap, and it messed up the whole place. So I was wondering, how will I try using spoon? The same thing. But then I discovered this simple method, and I said, let me share it with you, my friends and family who always support my channel. I hope you love this method. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this simple way to put your batter into your foil. Hello friends and family, don't mind my voice. I have a bit of cough. The weather is not favorable here. Alright, so I will repeat this process till the batter is finished. Please let me know at the comment section what you think about this method of using the foil without you soiling the foil and making it look presentable. And if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to like, comment and share my videos to your friends and family. 2 new videos are updated every week on this channel, so subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get alerts. So to cook our moi-moi, I have my iron basket. I don't know what that is called anyways, but I call it iron basket. So I always make sure I place this under the pot before adding water and the reason is to help your beans, the moi-moi, so it does not burn in case the water dries up. So this is how I learn my new moi-moi foil, step by step. And next I will cover it. You remember I added water first, and I'll be allowing this to cook on a medium to high flame for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I will check it up. If you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to like, comment and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so. So after 30 minutes the water is dried a bit, so I'll go ahead and add more water to allow it cook. For moi-moi, the cooking time, depending on your the flame, is between 45 minutes to, let's say, an hour, depending on the flame you are using. So after I allowed it to cook for more 20 minutes, it is ready and it looks super neat. So don't go away, I'll be opening it to show you what it looks like. So if you've not tried this moi-moi rype before, give it a try and use the method I show you to add your butter so it does not get sour. You will always use this again. Don't throw it away. All you need is to wash and keep. So this is our moi-moi. Tell me what you like about this. Doesn't this look presentable? Alright, friends and family, stay safe and stay connected. And if this video was helpful for you, let me know at the comment section. And this video is not a sponsored video. Alright, stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.